also want to make such text effect? Don't worry. I have found an awesome website which lets you make such text animation all for free. Just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Hello, myself Abhay Vishnu, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel AV Solutions. Now, before wasting any further time, let's get started. First, open any browser and search Texstudio.com. There you see lots of pre-made templates. Some are premium, but some are free to use, like this one. Just click on that and replace the word with your choice of word. You can also change the font style, alter the text style, or add any icon of your choice. You can also change the background of your choice or just make it transparent. Then you can also add some animation to the text. And finally, when you are satisfied, just click on the download button and download it as GIF file. There are millions of pre-made text effects available on Effect tab. Also, there are many pre-made poster templates from text effect to meme templates. So what are you waiting for? Open your browser and give it a try. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more such awesome videos.